Welcome to my channel once again, Home Garden Plants K. In today's video we are going to talk about the Syngonium plants. You can see these are the Syngonium plants. I have just grown the Syngonium plants on the ground and I just spread it all over the space. So these are different varieties that I have grown on the ground. It's all the mixed varieties. You can see the leaves patterns. So from this we can make out the different varieties over here. See here. Syngonium plants are called hardy plants because they can survive in any environment, and these are very easy to grow. These plants are and it long lasting plants. So even if you try to forget to give the water to these plants, the plants will not die. It's quality of the Syngonium plants, and it is just spread like anything. It doesn't require much care because sometimes we don't get time to take care of the plants whenever we are busy. So in this matter, the people who are quite busy and doesn't have enough time to take care of the plants but love gardening, they can always opt for Syngonium plants. Syngonium plants can be grown in the pot as well as on the ground, and you get a different variety of the Syngonium plants, so you can just add to the border plants, or you can keep it in your sitting area also, or in the office area also. And Syngonium plants can also be considered to give as a gift to your friend circle or your colleagues. So it's also another way of spreading the awareness about the environment. So when it comes to taking care of the Syngonium plants, we have to grow the Syngonium plants in a soil that contains the compost, the sand, and the cocoa pit. So mix all these things and grow the Syngonium in the pot and water them regularly. It doesn't get any pest as such, the Syngonium plant, so there is no need to take a pest control for the Syngonium plants. And you can just propagate these Syngonium plants by cutting from the stem. So this is the plants which has grown. So these are the stems. You can see here. These are the stems. So you can just cut it off from the center of this stem, and you can make another pot from this. So these are normally grown from the stem cutting, or you can grow, if it is grown in the cluster, then you can just grow it from the roots. See here. So this is another variety of my Syngonium plant, so you can separate it from the roots. So these are the 3 to 4 shoots are come for these plants. So this is the reddish type of my Syngonium plants, and see here there are 2 shoots are come, so you can separate it from these roots itself. So Syngonium plants can be grown either from the cuttings or from the extra plants that is grown from at the base of these Syngonium plants. And when it comes to giving the fertilizer for your plants, give the fertilizer once in a week or once in a 15 days, based on the how you want to take care of these plants. It's not recommended that you have to give the fertilizer every week or something, because it doesn't require much fertilizer for the plants to grow. Syngonium plants likes a lot of water, so that you have to take good care of these plants by giving the proper water for the plants. That is the main requirement for these plants. Syngonium plants, like if you want to gift it to your friend circle, you can just decorate it, the pots, the way you want. You can present it in a better way, the way you want to gift it to your friend circle. So that is a better option to gift it when you like it grows like anything. So it's better way to make a number of pots and gift it to your friend circle or your close ones. So in way you can just develop the interest in the others also. So this is my Syngonium plants. So even the person who are new in the gardening, they want to venture into gardening, they can always opt for the low maintenance plants, that is that type of Syngonium plants. So once they start get growing it, and then they will get a confidence, so they can opt for the more plants also. So these are the basic plants for the beginners, those who wants to venture into the gardening or take as a gardening as a hobby. So once the plant start growing, they will also will develop an interest in growing the more plants. Even if any of the person forget to water the plants, the plant will not die, but as soon as you start watering the plants, it will come back to the life. So that is the beauty of the Syngonium plants. And Syngonium plants can be like grown, and it can be kept whichever area you want to keep. In case you have kept it in the full sunlight, and you just tend to give them the little more water for them, so they can survive in the bright sunlight and the bright sun rays. I hope you all like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching once again. Stay in touch. Thank you.